What's going on, everybody? It's Big T with GreenWallSt.com, back with another trading video, this time on RNAZ. From last week, the stock was up 80% at the time of this recording. It was up over 100% at one point there in the day. My goal was to not try to find the top of the stock. It was to wait for the stock to prove to me that the top was in, and once it was, I was able to short it effectively. So just running through kind of what my thought process was and how I managed it. Didn't chase it lower, was waiting for some sort of pop in the stock to get involved. So shorted some at 470, and I'm not gonna make you sit through this whole thing because it was probably about a 20-minute trade. So just kind of fast forwarding through just to keep it short and simple. The goal was to scale the bounce. So anytime, you're in the market, it's not a game of really perfection. Every once in a while you can get like a really good entry and, top tick or bottom tick a stock and find the bottom or find the top. Most of the time though, you're just going to have to be able to identify those like key areas and key levels where a stock is likely to make some sort of reversal, either to the upside if you're long or to the downside if you're short. So you're never going to be able to find the exact top every time. So my goal on this bounce was to scale in or take, partial size positions on the way up, because I don't know if it's going to top at 460 or 470, 483, 492, who fucking knows? But I know, somewhere in that 470 to 5 range is where I wanted to build my position. So had 4,800 shares short at the top of the move here. And as we started to roll over, I actually didn't like how it was holding 470s. And honestly, at this point in the day, it was a bit later in the day, and I was pretty much risking my day on the trade and realized that I didn't want to do that. So I kind of oversized and made a mistake. And because of that, I covered half of the position relatively quickly. So as it would not break 477, I just went back down to normal size, down to like 2,300, 2,500 shares, because that's, what size I like to trade on these types of setups. And at that point forward, just in the driver's seat, waited for the stock to continue lower as we started to, run stops and continue the downtrend. I slowly covered the position. At this point in the trade, 1,300 shares left, and just waiting for one more additional flush in order to get out of the trade. It might have been two more actually. So you can see the stock has been supporting at 450s. So I want to be safe. I trade pretty conservatively, and anytime we kind of get that move down to support, I will cover at least some of my position just to, again, lock in profits, be safe, and not try to be too aggressive. And then at the end of the trade, the stock makes one last ditch effort to bounce and hold, and it could not hold that move. You see the sellers step back up, and I cover the rest of the position for about a $700 trade in what was about 10 or 15 minutes. So that was the trade. Pretty straightforward stuff, same as the rest of the live trading videos that I post on here. I try to really stick to the same sorts of setups and the same entry criteria, exit criteria on every single trade. So GreenWallSt.com, we are still running a 5-day free trial. If you are interested in learning how to trade and spot these types of opportunities every day, feel free to join. Spend a week inside the Discord, see if trading is for you. If not, you can cancel risk-free, no harm, no foul. But I do think you'll find a lot of value in trading with a community who is able to support you and also help you find these types of opportunities every single day in the market. It has never been a better time to be a trader. There's tons of opportunities to make money every day. It doesn't mean it's easy, but once you learn what you're looking for and what type of strategy you like to trade, it can be a very lucrative thing. So thank you all for tuning into the video. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon, and I will catch you right back here next time. Peace out, everybody.